Hey, this is Dave with Restore a Muscle Car out of Lincoln, Nebraska. It's 2022, January. We're getting ready to ship off 6 vehicles down to the Barrett Jackson auction in Scottsdale. It's their big anniversary year, and we decided we'd bring a semi-load of vehicles down, some of our really nice stuff. This is a 1978 black with red deluxe interior Trans Am, 6.6 liter 400 motor automatic AC. It's got all the options on it. This car's only got 12,000 original survivor miles on it. So this car is going to go across the block on Tuesday, I believe Tuesday afternoon next week. So watch for it at the Barrett Jackson auction. You don't want to miss out. It's one of the nicest black with red interior cars I've ever seen before. 12,000 survivor miles. This is a 1980 C10 Chevy pickup. It's been completely restored from top to bottom. It's got all new custom suspension, wheels, tires, all new body paint. All the chrome's been all redone, all new interior gauges. It's got an LS1 Corvette motor in it with air conditioning. This thing will shred the tires all the way through every gear. It's a fun truck to drive. This is a really, really great truck. So you don't want to miss out on it. This truck will go through on Tuesday as well. 1983 Chevy K10 completely restored short box Chevy pickup. We've got 33-inch tires on it. Everything is new, from the grills, the bumpers, the paint, all new interior, dash, all the moldings, the chrome, you name it, everything's done. Even it's got an upgraded 350 motor in it now. This thing runs really good, AC. This thing goes through on Tuesday afternoon as well. You don't want to miss out. The Chevy K10 short boxes are really hard to come by these days, especially when they're in this nice a condition. 81 GMC Jimmy. This came out of Oregon from the original family that bought it new. They owned a dealership in Oregon, and the parents bought it, and then they willed it to their daughter, and we got it from her. Super nice, very rare color combination. This is more of kind of an orange with a white. We put the new wheels and tires on it, all new trim, completely detailed out the truck. It's got the original factory interior. That houndstooth interior is really hard to come by. Just a really neat truck. AC, everything works on it. New exhaust, great running and driving truck. We have 2 2021 brand new Broncos. This is a first edition 2-door that they're super hard to find. You can't even hardly get them anywhere. This is the rare electric blue color. It's loaded with about every option you could get, being the first edition. These sold out within seconds of going live on the Ford's website when they turned the Bronco ordering live. So this goes through on Friday afternoon, along with this one as well. This is a 4-door soft top. It's got upgraded leather interior. It's got the upgraded bumper with the LED lights, 37-inch tires, lift. This thing's a bad boy going down the road. It rides like a dream, drives great, everything works. The top is really cool when it's down, a lot of fun. This goes through Friday afternoon. You don't want to miss out. They're basically super hard to find vehicles, and we thought we'd go ahead and get them fixed up and have them ready. Obviously they didn't need much other than some customization to this one, so check them out. You can go to our website, restoreamusclecar.com, our Facebook page, Restore a Muscle Car, Instagram. We're going to have all the videos on every one of these vehicles live for you to see. Everything, walk-arounds on them all, full high-def pictures off of our website, and obviously the lot numbers are going to be available as well off of our website, so you can see there, or go to Barrett Jackson's website, barrettjackson.com, and do a search on any of these vehicles and you'll see them as well. But check us out online, call, email, but make sure you like, share, and tag. Thank you.